here by the docks and all kinds of these boats, and there's water taxis. It's very exciting down here. So we're in front of the Lynn, and she's a wood schooner, and she's a big sail. She don't have her sails open right now.
You gotta try out the Preserve restaurant. It has gluten-free, vegan, vegetarian, and other options. I tried the cauliflower steaks, and the fish and chips were awesome. And a sparkling rosé.
Good morning. Today is our second day on our trip to Annapolis, Maryland. And we're on Kent Island. We just came over the Bay Bridge over the Chesapeake, and it is an engineering marvel. It's just beautiful to go over that bridge.
It's just a nice place to walk.
So this morning, before coming over to Terrapin, we went to the Rise Up coffee shop, and I had some pumpkin spice latte. It's October, you gotta have pumpkin spice before it's gone.
Here at Mantepeque Beach. Go ahead, this is a dog-friendly beach, and we already got someone. Uh-oh, he threw that way out there. We'll see if he gets it. Oh, yeah, there you go. Yay! Good boy. Oh, he's great. There's like a nice rock structure up there. A nice giant crane over there. Coffee truck is a drive-through. And these are your October specials.
And it's just beautiful here. And we're walking across the bridge to go back to the town. And we're gonna find like a nice little spot to have a little bit of lunch. The crab claw is a little bit pricey, I thought, even though it had a nice view, but I'm not gonna pay for a view, so. We're doing frugal traveling.
So we're heading over to the gluten-free bakery girl shop. We heard it's the only gluten-free bakery in the area, and it has this cute little bear to welcome you, and you go around the side and you can order it from her. And we got the Linzer cookie and the almond raspberry tort.
So I hope you enjoy our trip to Maryland. So don't forget, smash the like button, subscribe, ring the bell to be notified when my next video is up. I'll see you next time.